Hello, my name is Missy, and I'm addicted to sneezing. Achoo, 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 achoo. Like, when I was little, I sneezed a lot. But that was like because I was allergic to something. But I'm not allergic to anything. I just make myself sneeze. So,
Hello, my name is Moana, and I am Misty's mother. I think personally, in my choice, Misty has gone way too far with her allergic reactions because seriously, girl, you took it way too far.
achoo, 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 achoo.
I told you, the girl is crazy. Every night she always has to come into my room because sometimes she sleeps in my room, and she's always in my room, and like it's like the worst, dude. And second of all,
She sneezed on me! Billions of times!
That's Misty's friend. We'll introduce her in a minute. But like, she sneezes all over, and she always keeps me up while sleeping in bed with me, and it's so annoying. So like, yeah.
Hello, my name is Tweets, and I'm tired of my neighbor sneezing. I can hear her she sneezes so loud. It's so annoying, and she should really stop sneezing. Cause I mean, if you sneeze like a couple times, then that's fine. But if you sneeze like thousands and thousands of times, she sneezes more than 6,000 times a day. So boring.
Hello, my name is Scarlett, and I think Misty, well, she is my stepsister. I think Misty has taken it way too far with her weird, like sneezing. It's just way too far. One time she got allergic. That's how she started, how it all started. So she was allergic and she sneezed for the first time in forever. Still playing? Oh, okay. Is it still playing? Yes. Oh, okay. And it's getting like way over control because this is how it started. She sneezed for the first time in forever.
Choo 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 choo.
Choo 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 choo.
Choo.
Ew!
Choo.
But yeah, that's what I was saying. And she sneezed for the first time in forever, and she loved it. And ever since that, she's been addicted to sneezing, and I hate it.
Misty sneezes more than 1,000 times a day. That's more than we sneeze on. That's more than sneezes on Earth. That's more
Then people sneeze on our planet.
Hello, my name. Hello, I'm Missy's friend, and oh, I forgot to say my name. Sorry. My name is Lily. I have a bunch of different names. Sorry. But I'm tired of her sneezing. She sneezes more than anyone ever sneezes. I only sneeze 4 times a day, but 1,000 times a day is crazy. So crazy. Anyway, that's achoo, 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 achoo.
Hello. I'm Princess Buttercup. Well, at least that's what my mom calls me. Princess Buttercup. But you can call me Princess Buttercup. My real name is Sydney. S-Y... I forgot how to spell my name. Mom! Okay, but on the other hand, I'm Missy's little sister. Mommy! Mommy! Come here! Why are you falling? No, you're not my mom. I'm just a neighbor. Mom!
Yes?
What's my name again? How do you spell it? whatever. But you can call me Princess Buttercup because I'm the Princess Buttercup. Do you understand me? Do you understand me?
Yeah, she likes buttercups.
Do you understand me? That's what I thought. Okay. Can I just walk backwards? Okay. But on the other hand, he sneezed all over me and now I could go sick. It's disgusting. Ouch. How do we end this thing? How do we end it?
Honey, your sneezing has gone way too far with this family. Do you understand me?
Achoo. Yeah?
It's gone way too far. Oh, I'm fooling myself.
What I was saying was that
Is this cum on my nose?
what I was saying was that
I don't think you should be part of the family.
what do you mean?
Well,
Does that just come out of your nose too?
that is disgusting. Just stop getting stuff out of your nose. But what happened was that
You sneeze too much in this family.
and I cannot take it.
Wait.
Did you just go on? Did you just eat that with your ear?
No.
But on the other hand, what I was trying to say was that
You are going in the
adoption center, it's gotten way too far.
Wait.
It was just in the adoption center, and that was a big sneeze.
I know it was.
You're weird.
Oh.
Honey?
Yes?
I'm out.
Was it?
Soon.
Again.
Soon, Lily died from her nose exploding. From sneezes. It was the worst thing that ever happened, and it was a hard time for the parents.
Here's her nose.
Her nose, her nostril.
Yeah, that's how big her nostril was.
And she was only about that small. Oh my god.